Okay guys, so today we're going to make a watermelon salad. It's quite simple but yet refreshing. So let's get started. Okay guys, so these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our watermelon salad. Of course we need our watermelon. We're going to use some feta cheese. This is goat cheese here. Some mint leaves. Of course, it should be more mint leaves, but unfortunately I was not able to get any mint in the supermarket, and so I just harvested some that I had on a small plant that I planted. We would need sea salt. We would need black pepper. We would need apple cider vinegar, and we would need some olive oil. So let's get started and putting everything together. Okay, so what we're going to do is get to cutting up our watermelon, and we're going to cube it, cut it into bite-sized pieces. So maybe I can cut it straight into the bowl. Of course, if you want to add more watermelon, you can. So I am just showing you here for a single serving. All right, so you have your watermelon. Actually, I think I will add some more watermelon to this. Okay, so we have the watermelon here. I'm just going to crumble up now our goat cheese. All right, and then let me just rinse out my hand so I could add the other ingredients. Okay, so now we're going to add some sea salt to it. Just not much, just a little to bring out the flavor. That's it. We're going to add some black pepper to it. Okay, that should be good. We're going to add some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add about a cupful of apple cider vinegar to it. Okay, and then I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil over it as well. Just a nice little drizzle of that. Okay, and last but by no means least, we're going to add in our mint leaves. Like I said, if you have more, then that's great. I'm just adding what I have. But usually you would put mint in this. So just add some mint leaves there. And what I'm going to do, and I'm doing this simply for aesthetic purposes. This is not usually part of the dish, but I just went to my garden and I picked some sweet basil, but I just found it looks pretty. So just for decorative purposes, I put some sweet basil here. Of course, you can eat this raw as well. So there you have it. This is our watermelon salad.